If you are running into the frustrating Adobe Illustrator error message stating you do not have enough memory, you are not alone. This is a common hurdle that can stop your creative workflow dead in its tracks. Today, I am going to walk you through exactly how to troubleshoot and resolve this memory issue, ensuring your projects run smoothly again. Before we dive into the technical adjustments, make sure to hit that like button if this video solves your problem, and subscribe to the channel for more expert tips to master your Adobe software. Let us get started. First off, let us look at the clipboard. If you have been copying large, complex, or high-definition objects, Illustrator is hoarding that data in your system RAM. The easiest fix is to go to the top menu, select Edit, hover over Purge, and click on Clipboard. This instantly frees up that reserved space. If that is grayed out, simply go to your artboard, create a tiny text box with one letter, copy it, and you have effectively overwritten the large chunk of data in your clipboard. Next, do not underestimate the power of a clean slate. Simply restart Illustrator. This flushes the application temporary memory allocation, which often gets locked after you perform heavy operations, like complex pathing or bitmap effects. While you are at it, close any unnecessary background applications. Modern web browsers with multiple tabs are notorious memory hogs. Closing them, along with other Adobe apps you are not currently using, gives Illustrator the breathing room it desperately needs. If the error keeps popping up, we need to address your scratch disk settings. Adobe Illustrator requires a portion of your hard drive as virtual memory. Go to Edit, select Preferences, and click on Plugins and Scratch Disks. Ensure your primary scratch disk is set to a drive that has at least 20 to 50 gigabytes of free space. If you have an external solid-state drive connected, set that as your secondary scratch disk for improved performance. Remember, you must restart the application for these changes to take effect. Finally, let us talk about your machine specifications. If your hardware is outdated, software workarounds can only do so much. For the latest version of Illustrator, ensure you have at least 8 gigabytes of RAM, though 16 is highly recommended. Check that your GPU has at least 1 gigabyte of VRAM, and ensure your operating system is fully updated to the latest version of Windows 10 or 11. By following these steps, you should clear those memory errors and get back to designing without interruptions. If this tutorial helped you get back to work, don't forget to like and subscribe for more essential software guides. We'll catch you in the next one.